I chose to live here because it's 5 minutes away from the university. I've got the privacy of living in a studio apartment and it's quite luxurious compared to most students' accommodation.
It's really good value for money and the rooms you get here are fantastic.
There are several room types to choose from.
I really love my room at Windsor Court. It's really spacious, I've got a really nice big bed, I've got plenty of storage space to keep all of my things.
A nice couch to watch the TV on, a nice big spacious desk to do all my studying.
I've got a studio flat, so it means that I've got my own kitchen and bathroom as well. Having your own kitchen is really, really useful because it just means that you've got your own storage space and I can cook meals whenever I like, invite friends over.
My ensuite is really luxurious. There's a nice big walk-in shower, a nice big mirror.
It just means I can roll out of bed in the morning, get a shower and then get straight on to my lectures at uni.
It's fob access, so only the people who live in the building can get in, and then it's constant CCTV, it's quite extensive, so I feel really safe living here.
There's a laundrette on the ground floor as well. That's fantastic. It just means I can get the lift straight down, do my washing, not having to go outside and try and find somewhere.
We've got really good Wi-Fi here. It's really fast, never cuts out, no matter what floor you're on, whether you're in the reception or the top floor.
I can FaceTime my family back home, watch Netflix, do everything that I could need to do.
It's really good having all your bills included, especially if you're trying to budget as a student, because you know that one bill covers all.
The staff are really friendly, really helpful. If you've got any problems or questions, you can go down and see them.
The location of Windsor Court is brilliant. We're right in the heart of Liverpool. The nearest train station is like 5 minutes away, so it's really not far.
You've got museums and art galleries on your doorstep. Liverpool One is a fantastic shopping centre which isn't too far away. You've got Liverpool John Moores and the University of Liverpool within about a 10-minute walk, so it's dead easy to get to lectures if you're at either one of those universities.
The city of Liverpool, it's a really great city. It's full of culture and I think everyone's really friendly. I'd definitely recommend living at Windsor Court to other students because we're in a great part of the city, we're in a nice, luxurious, spacious room, the Wi-Fi is fantastic and the staff are brilliant.
I really love Windsor Court and I'd recommend it to anyone who's thinking of staying in Liverpool.